Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Kbrizzy is the only organized person.
But it's true.
You
It's
go
true.
far.
lapana ntulwana wathola lapha chance lapha.
Yeah, I was told. Why shall I smell
Wasithola
Yeah.
ngoba I can say that ngo
Ayiqiniso ukuthi lapha
every
ngathi
time.
ngifika ngalithola selidlile. So mina lapha ngangadlaka that day.
All this guy.
Nganokuyisigaqo.
So yeah.
But I'm the only one with the soul and the conscience.
Around
Around
abantu kube bakwazi ukuthi uhlanya kanjani bro.
yakwazi check mina uthamba lo kudala. I know like kudala. But kudala.
Ngakudala.
Hayi like kudala. Ngambona uTrey songs lapha na YCT. It's Mr. Stereo Girl.
What is it in here?
Mr. Steal Your Girl.
Oh.
Len kweli uzwa?
Yeah, I mean I was.
Hayi but mina
So
ngiyakwazi.
ngifila stupid
Yeah.
because
ngiyakwazi.
at first when he started using it, mina nganguzwa. Mr. Stereo Girl. Then later, I think was ukubhalwa ku Twitter. Asembona Mr. Steal Your Girl.
Ubuyikhuthi
Ngeke
isikhathi
ngitshela
sonke.
sonke ka Trey songs.
Hayi. Wena nganile stories eziningi.
Hayi there is name.
Khuluma xoxa. Sisa.
Back in the day, not
Sisakuthwani, sisanqantshisa podcast.
then he
9 seconds into the podcast. Sathi ensana sezidlanga.
We
just arrived.
Bese uMasala uthe ekhuleka izolo wathi entweni lezi abazenzayo uNkulunkulu
Asivimbe.
ucela bakhulume ulanguage ukuthi nxa ingilosi zisizwa zingakhangela eceleni.
Zijabule.
So ingilosi kareso sigayela.
Hayi ingilosi ziya understand ukuthi lapha mphambanzila azisaphindi futhi. But yazinhle
ale
yakho.
podcast yeba clean le episode
Get back
ingirozi.
to work.
So you say
Get back to work.
Back in the day dog.
Yeah.
Nganse Namibia. Kwabe kuthiwa Trey songs yabuya for ishow. So mina ngiyandaba mina. Ngabona ukuthi soze ngihambe. And then the show happened, but you'd always know where the after party was going to be. So I just decided I'm not going to go to the show. I wasn't even a big fan of that guy. Ngathi after party lapha. Let's figure it out after party man. Scope my ladies. And then, because it was back in the days when I used to perform, so I used to know like his security at most events. But this guy was like a good friend of mine. Wanglanda wati eche wahamba lamankazana yini. Ngathi ngani ngimembe umuntu nguthuba. Wathi ay uTrey songs esila ephandle. So in case he ufuna ukumboda. Ngathi thuba cheka stick amacheka. Do you guys want to be Trey songs? But ngase ngithola omnye umngane wami lathi ngoLerato
amanye amabizo boBrizland.
from Botswana.
Timing.
Usohlaba le throwback.
Funny video kama
Lalela. Sesiphuma nabana sesifika uthi mina sithi vele usephuma emoteni so wasimisa like close to entrance wathi manini la because in case uchirabe ufuna ukumisa bemake or anything like that.
Straight lezi.
Trey songs okay. Abalingeni trigger tray. Take it athi ngena like umuntu wa screamer take angikwazi mina ngena ku Saturday manje.
Now screamer.
No, screamer.
No umuntu nga screamer ngambamba. But ngathi ngiqeda ngathi. What the fuck did I just do? What's going on Carlo? And to this day bro, this girl doesn't forget that.
Yabezele ukukhumbuza.
Imfana yazi wasiyangisa.
Why
Aba ibad for like half a second. What shit? But the ambiance yachinja. Like what ingena sekani. Asikwaba le new volume kwangani sokule commotion.
Siphathelezi mnandi. Mana ngikhiphi ibranding la. Phana kuthiwa si
Khathi indaba engasiphangi imali abantu laba banika abanye imali ntuthu. These people give people money. These ones bakhiphe izitampa zabo.
Bese yakhuluma.
Ngalibukele lokhaleni. Jake banika abantu imali do.
Locally.
Ubulawayo Like 4 or 5 people were given money by this guy.
Influencer.
No ways. Can put money on that one.
Anti nalikhuluma into zomnqantsho.
Kuyaphinda futhi. Kuyaphinda njalo. Indaba yomnqantsho.
Selikhutha ama brand
endorsement.
People got money, bro.
But yabona umuntu
Bro, people got money, bro.
umuntu mayebona so.
Akadisdabulele phela lathi check.
Thayini umuthi lwana we bedroom.
Umhlaba
suze.
Umhlaba suze.
Sona umhlaba suze.
Umbhuqa bhotshe.
I think kunje so. Isimo lapha.
Kuya ngokuthi wena ufunani.
Imbiza.
So ngani nathi imbiza yeku. Fusidayide.
Yokubhawaza.
Leyazi imbiza. Sela yibona imbiza.
Ezinye izinto. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast.
Umsangano.
And shit. Pamberine. Kare sikulula like ku.
Hayi amfuna uvumela into futhi.
Angaqedi.
Dipamberine hondo.
Ngithi kulula uku-offenda amaZimbabwean right. Easy kabi. Ya poster nxa ufuna ukuthi abantu bakuthethise. Pamberina ningi. Kuphela.
Ngawubona ngento i-cloud sikudaka like abantu bakuthanda kakhulu and you want to
ufuna bakuzonde kuphela.
Mina akutshela istori lesi. Ngilomunye ubamdala from this side of the family. Owaposta ngesikhathi ku campaign wasetshenziswa ngenye part ukuposta ivideo like besithi hayi sithabile ngomsebenzi owenziwayo wathi ivideo khona ku Facebook then nomamncane wami over this side of the family so angikhothi siyazana lezi nazo yi2
How
ozake zahlangana yazi umamncane wami wayabhala lo layi abubi ephongumani ngavuzwa ngupope ebusuku isidoda
sekuyilahla
ku Facebook ngathi kade awufala I think abazake behlangana phela but they are both very close relatives from i-danger social media mfana yamthethisa ubaba zalo ngacafi
yeah
kanti isidara lesi
ama chances ukuthethisa ubabazala kuwa2 social media inhlamba singangena oyivile emgwaqweni
Nawukhutha ngemoto so.
Yeah.
Ngathi yazi msunu wakho get back to work.
Umuntu besibona afana nyakwazi wena uhamba emoto eblue.
Yeah. Sathi ngiyakufanisa wena mfana. Ihle ngithi ayisini.
Lo muntu ubhuda sengimkhwatshile namuhla ku 4th Avenue lapha nizamile umcreme iface yakhe fast. Ngicremile. But yena urasta. Uhamba emoto white. Hayi umcremile.
Urasta.
Hayi anti ubone
urasta nguwe.
Uthethi ngurasta uhamba emoto white.
Utheni ke twini?
Hayi ngimtshela irapper nje. Irobo hayi.
But namhla sile audience.
Lively audience.
I think into ethi yakhula sibini. Into
isiqinile yakhula iqinile.
Iqinile
siba ngumsipho sharp.
Hayi so banana hayi
sivutha so mbijana.
Iqinile sibili. Good. So siyathaba ukuthi namhla lokuyi diversity nyane yabona akusoma senglise kuphela.
I'm sure kulomuntu ozabuza ukuthi kathi aba-invitewayo ba-invitewa njani. Batshele ngicini ukuthi kumele
bethumela amanudu.
Simple.
Kuphela
nje. Nuclear.
Thumela amanudu.
Nuclear lakho kuphela.
Okhona lapha okade ngakwazi ukuthi lapha uba khona inxa inudu. Kule changing room lapha.
Fast. Podcast ngakatsheli la. Fast podcast ngakatsheli
lapha. Libeli.
Wesofuna ukuzasebenza into zabalula majensu uMark Zuckerberg wathi viewers.
Yabo.
Nuclear kade sivele sithi currency.
Ndotha. Hey. Asimini
ungahlala uthi gaxa lawe umthi
anoke nisibonise lapha
mele sithumelaneni as friends niku Jane Mike Jane
once
ngithi mele sithumelaneni ama nudes as friends
as friends
yeah
wena awutshela unthumeze kudalwa yana
but ungicela
wena ngiyokwazi ukuthi ngayo la
mina ama ngiyuxoxe ngayo like that
how what wangithi Jane
ibakhulunywa ngani
hayi angikhumbuli mina
ngiyadala
but mina umgcini wangaya ngebirthday
yakhe ngasubmit iCV bayala futhi
mina umgcini wangaya ngebirthday yami ngathi
akunika
uyanya
so another
wangithithize
uyanya
kanti kuyini bros
so how can I ask uyahlonipheka Mr. Kumbungu kwedini
uyambona ngiyamsebenzela ngambona ukuthi I'm waiting for the right guy This guy is a man to the core.
Izinto ezinje so izenza xa sikuthola ama DM kwabanye abantu i-podcast
Now your CV is colorful.
no so
Thanks to KB.
we are coming at you live from the number one fashion boutique in the country, Zulu Fashion House.
Oyengwini Palace.
I really think this is the most at this point.
Yeah.
Kule boutique abantu abazi kudlula Zulu Fashion House.
Yeah. Kulabanye sebebuya bezocela ukurecord lama podcast la.
Which is true.
Yeah, that's how
That's how nice. That's how nice we are.
That's how you know it's popping.
What?
That's how you know it's popping.
Nah,
Mina
that's bad.
Hey,
No,
dude,
baloku
kulabanye
kuhle.
sebefaka ama proposal up. They're like, yo, can
What's
you
it?
come
My
through?
CV.
it's more
Yeah.
Which is a good thing,
I was
yeah?
mad when I found it,
Tina,
but then I laughed. I see it afterwards.
Tina, this is drunk on power. For season 2 a podcast, you are taking on a challenging mission. Not a butcher. A podcast. A butcher.
Azosethi
Ukwenza
siyarekhodele
Tina
e-liquor store.
Tina
Yikho lapho
zesebhuji.
ugcina esingamfaka under peer pressure. Ngihamba siyarekhodele e-liquor store umgcini yabe under
No,
pressure.
mina ngangizana.
Siyamnika sithi siyathela embodleleni ebhabezelo akho.
Mina ngangizanatha la suka la hotel iphathe ngayisiyo.
Ula
Umgcini wayekhulumile wathi
Ngangile
ungawine
thembisile.
enye party
Angithembisile
uyanatha
mina.
podcast.
Amgcini wayethoza nathi.
Ngangithembisa ukuthi kuthiwa yini party day MRP.
Oh yeah. On that note, inauguration.
Yeah. Since we've been covering into ama elections lay, sibone ungcono ukuthi sikhulumela ngezinto zama inauguration lezi. But before sihamba inauguration, RIP hit streak. Yeah.
Uze wafa.
Anlaphana kwiruma. Igaresi siwili kwenza.
So he wasn't feeling well.
Yeah.
Mina ngizange ngibuze ngathi where is it coming from?
No, but mina ngaboni i-post bro. Like
So he had cancer.
But lapana kuthi basiqambela manga because when they were refuting those claims that he was dead, they said no, he's alive and well.
And well.
Yeah.
You know?
So and where was a lie?
It was a lie.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
So, but no, look, rest
Was
in
it on
peace to him.
Twitter or what? I didn't know good video.
Yeah.
I don't go Facebook.
Facebook, the wife
Yabona
posted.
ukuthi impact yene ukuthi liqale liqamba manga. Kade sonke sebesesaba ku Twitter abantu ba Twitter.
Yeah.
Shut up because they didn't know.
WhatsApp.
Into ya last week.
Omunye nithemba post
Abantu
wathi how
sebesesaba.
asomanga.
But it's
Mina no, like garesi ngokwamaqini yabo.
So does that show ukuthi i-news cycle yethu last how long? A week or two?
No, it's shorter than that.
It's shorter than that.
Yeah, probably
people
2-3
still-
days.
But if people still think it's a lie, maybe they think it's still overlapping.
Yeah,
last
bakhona
news
abantu
cycle.
aba.
Possibly.
I mean, I think 2 days is cool, but the essay it is 12 hours.
Yeah, akuhlela kule nto yentshe yenza.
Ngoba ubushila uphindile because ubonile ukuthi first time.
Lamanga bro. So kule linye nuclear.
Sesibonile. Mina ngidinga ngayiswela.
Ayidingile.
Ha, ke ngiyebelani ngidinga do.
Mina ngizamile kuma comments lami
Nami ngidinga
ngithola.
amakhosi ngidinga lapha kuma i-gen replies that's where you usually find it. Ngayiswela.
Ushange return of the Mdumba.
Or avilabana beuti, if you don't post it right now, we're reporting this.
We're reporting this useless account.
We are reporting this useless
If
account.
you don't post in 10 minutes.
So RIP hit streak iposo yazi yadliwa futhi.
Abasidigressile besikhuluma ukufaka history sicela sikhuluma nge-6 ku Twitter.
Nawo no introduce yilo kuzenini.
Angintroduce lutho mina.
But anyways, asla.
Yeah, it's less structure they say.
But
So
yeah.
you're living up to it.
Bensathi kuthiwa yini iposo ize yadliwa futhi.
Yeah.
Twice,
Kuhamba njani ngene?
It's because mina sengamnge stadium. Honestly, it's my fault, guys.
Well, atungeko.
Hey, both times bedliwe. Ukhangile next week ngiyahamba.
Okay.
By the time episode le iphuma kube sokudlalile lokuzeni.
Then ngadliwa ngiyathi bengikhuluma leni.
Hayi, bare kuthi
Umgcini wathi uMourinho ngiyeza sifakela umnyama ezesiwishele.
bare ngakhuluma.
Wathi since uMourinho esekhuluma eboss.
Because labani into esikhona not just umnyama but abantu sebelesigaqa ama teams amaningi selesigaqa. Okepe bora labo Black Chiefs laba.
Abo green field.
Sebesithi labo green fuel. Manika what sebelesigaqa sokuthi why uMourinho eshama shout out to yilo kuzenini.
So that is the team emhlaba.
Team enjani.
Which we are, by the way, ladies and gentlemen.
But indlela esidliwa ngayo.
Handle is a slight one.
Look, anybody was bound to happen anyway. I
Yeah.
asked when did he say? Alikwazi nokuhlenga.
Yeah, no.
Mna phe hambo.
Kulomngane wethu kodwa esitsheli ukuthi vele bazabanjwa labanye.
Yeah.
Bese ngeke siqede isizini yonke phela. Bese ngeke siqede.
Kulokuzenini uma 40 ngiyohlale khuluma ukuthi iboss idlala uThufi.
Amafuthi mdidi wakhe vele. Mina ngikhuluma even to his face. He's fucking fast. Fuck that guy.
Umafuthi nguye wathi iboss izadliwa. Wayela manga hivi.
But you see, that is such an open-ended statement.
No, wafaka ama-reason akhe. Wafaka ama-reason akhe.
Nah, sengikhuluma. UMessi uzafa. It's
no.
such an open-ended statement. At some point it's going to happen.
No, but I mean, bear in mind that
Umafuthi
Umafuthi looks at things differently from the rest of us.
Yeah, because uyahlanya.
Yeah, ubona izinto ngenye indlela thina esingaziboni.
Umafuthi wa-explain. Wathi yena wahamba wabona i-type of play lana is not sustainable. It was just beginners like all along.
Now let me tell you once again, those are open-ended statements because at some point vele team yebhodi yadliwa.
Angeke uhlala uwina.
Angeke uhlala uwina. So you cannot
But
go
is
around
the
saying
type
ngaba
of
Chelsea
play
izadliwa.
sustainable yini?
Whether less sustainable play or not, team yonke izadliwa. So I'm saying it's such an open.
Liverpool izithatha idliwanga lapha.
Awe Arsenal.
Liverpool isichebo sabantwana lesiya.
Yeah.
Pure liyana.
Onana.
Tosha mlalo against like this.
Yazi vele ngiyoniqalile lo.
Sekuma pyramid.
Like mina into engayizwisisiyo bro ngokuhlanga ugoalkeeper limthengele ukuthi azobamba ibhola lingangena egedini. Uzokuthiwa Onana ulama passes amaningi. Ama passes akha successful ukudlula kade here.
Let him cook.
Kanti owakhe ukukhahlela ibhola kulibamba.
Let him cook.
Now uyakhahlelani ngawo CB.
Shut the fuck up. Asakhuluma ibhola, ibhola sekhuluma ngalo mid-season.
So
Yeah, lapha sesipulile lapha ngama-Jongo
inauguration.
ukhona wambile ku inauguration na. Nimaninga
Labo
amalokuzi
sesibambile
nama.
Hambe ngomoya.
Hambe ngomoya. Hayi vele. Awula mntu wambile.
Nah, I know.
Asitsheli.
It's strictly by invite.
doesn't want to
Ukuthi
talk
uhambe
about
njani
it. Udleli inauguration yesakini.
Kanti kunxuso abanjani?
Niki Mike.
Kunxuso abanjani?
Uhambile? Kanti usithi bengihambile. Uhambile?
Wait, what?
Siyadinga. Khathi bekulani kwena.
Edinga umongameli.
Usedinga president.
Umkhokheli welizwe.
Ngibonile bekhona. What are your comments? I don't want to.
Bare mina ngambini. Ngalifihlela phela.
All right.
Ngalifihlela phela but
Mina ngani ngakubona. Asiwathutsha lo Grace.
Machensi ngise something crazy. Ayibhadile ngikhulumela.
indaba ke
Buya ngunyenyezeli.
ulamanga bro.
I heard it. Someone told me.
Niyafletha wayihlebelana lapho singekho.
Ngifuna ukuthi ukukhulume lapha ku.
Hayi akuyachayisa lokho kuyagathisa. Ubuya wona uzokhuluma ngiza kunyenyezela ubuso ukukhuluma.
Ha but mina sengunyenyezeli.
Mazai. You guys niyafletha. Niyenzani? Niyafletha niyenzani? Why benikhuluma thina singekho?
Ngithe uyangutshela ukuthi kuthiwani ubuzokhuluma wena ku camera la.
Hayi into nje ngesikhulume lapha Jay. Le kumele
No
simele.
ways.
Angishaya ke phela
Yeah,
qeda
that one is crazy. Anyway,
Pare ngihambile chicken
Yes.
in vibes.
ibivuthiwe kathesi?
Yeah.
Wena wathi ku general.
Ngabe ngugeneral ngalapha nokulelo kwizenini.
All right.
Okulo muntu onke khona.
All right.
Yeah.
Eso wethu.
Para khona beku sharp.
I was chilled.
Alikho happy lina with what's happening.
No,
Why-
why
bro?
ecstatic? Why besides ourselves with joy?
I feel like amaZimbabwe kulula like ukumove on, yabo. Like kulula.
AmaZimbabwe vele sefana nama support Arsenal. Cabanga uli Arsenal Zimbabwe. Mfana.
Yeah.
Uphinde support iboss
Mfana
yiyo.
labo cheka khona mfana.
Yeah.
Phela amandla.
Yeah.
But Tina J loku we are anyway. It's a new day. We're looking forward to the next
But I
couple
know
of years.
Ukona, I'm not sure if you guys have been following a Twitter account Nelson Chamisa. But I mean the guy is really sticking on brand with the Amalokuzenak. His motivational speeches and verses, you know. Yeah, inauguration in a YHI photo shoot on a road, you know, signaling that we are on the way to a bigger, brighter future.
But
You know,
was one Danisa and I'm like, fuck you.
you know, and he try his strategic tongue.
Ukhulume ngetone yomuntu ozamukhuluma into eza but all you gave
No,
us
but
was
it's
fuck
supposed
all.
to give people hope. That's what I'm saying.
but also take on
Yeah.
the silence of the opposition right now with everything that's happening.
They're planning something big. Yes, then they implement.
Man,
Then they implement.
Malithe, ngizakhuluma into engayikhuluma a bunch of times on this show.
Uh-huh.
Do we call this a show now, guys? Oh shit.
Yeah, it's a show.
Social media so real life as channel social media. Ngitshela, siyayengana sonke ngasibhizi abantu bonke. Ngayikhuluma example ngathi, do you want to know something fucking crazy? Mina nginje I have more followers on Instagram than iBoss. When?
Oh, yeah.
In real life,
Yeah.
who the fuck am I, dog? True. But all I'm saying is, social media, especially in a third world country like this, cannot ever be used as a metric of what's going on the ground.
Yeah.
Abantu abavotayo base Kelvini, base Rinkini,
Base uZumba, Maramba, Mafumba.
base uZumba. Now was a Zulu fashion now lawa vela so bantu as discount isongela. Thina are not a true marker of the average Zimbabwe. What boni iZimbabwe ndibomvu so wena umuntu ufana ubomvu. No one here is a mark of. So we can sit here and share ideas and with our Twitter circles, but it turns out probably 65% of the country is not what we think it is, and that's what it is.
Yeah, but since we've been covering in the elections from ukuqala ama results announce inauguration is we have a president like bemphose ngathi new but since so yini elifunga uyibona to whoever is in power right now in terms of from a council to president khona ngale ugcine mawuthi balaleli podcast le like yini elifuna bayizwe right now.
Ukuthi balaleli podcast.
Yeah, balalela azo.
Just a better standard of living. It's fine. We're not asking for much.
Yeah.
Just a better standard of living.
Ngapho lifunani?
It's sexy. Little funani.
Which ones?
Ah.
I'm nigga mic. I couldn't.
Guys, ngicela into eyiwanda. Ngicela into eyiwani kuphela la. Ngicela ni order okhuluma ku mic. Kuphela like nxa ufuna ukukhuluma something just take the mic ukhulume.
Tofunani kumongameli Jay.
Mina. I just want our degrees to work, bro. Like we've shelved them.
Uzokhuluma into lengqondo yazi.
Since wangazi. No. No. Like I mean it from the bottom, from my left ventricle. Like I really want our degrees to work. Like for us to work for what we're trained for, because you can't be in the media industry. Next thing you're in the medical whatever, or you're doing something that you don't love. Most people they're no longer passionate about the things that they like.
Chases.
It's true.
They're being boxed.
Podcast.
Hey, kunini senza le podcast. Kodwa mina lokho ngiwalk. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Trick.
And you know, some people in other countries, like take for example, Unakia. That guy. What he right? Yini ngathi ufuna committee. I don't know if you know him. But then I think that guy is stable financially. I think so. But I can tell and the lapa shares is farmer think pieces kilometers then.
It's true.
Mina okay, Lina la driver but mina nga walker. So it's really not fair. I just want people to get like their hard work to equal
He drives
their gains.
As a genius. But I know into ikhuluma
Yeah.
I think wonke umuntu lapha into ayifisayo. When I get put us ifisayo like goodbye is our mongameli and
bro, like I wanna like a country that's so stable that nothing akonjola my looks, bro.
Oh my God.
Not,
hey, but it's true.
You know, like not money or like they
see
are.
the chance of materialistic.
Yeah, boy. Better have him the character, che.
Yeah, personality.
Personality,
But
bro.
he actually has a point.
You know what I mean?
What's this with Balamba? That's comedy mal.
Yeah.
That's the point. If the country was in a
man.
different place,
Now when I
who was
mean,
conjuring character?
Ngabona ilokuzeni post ku Twitter kuthiwa the chemistry between the Vele ladies and Harare men. Like isharp
It's
kakhulu.
an unbreakable bond, bro.
Chemistry yakhona imali, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, ukuthi
After
siyadubeka
chemistry, mali, bro.
Yeah.
siyadubeka kakhulu.
Chemistry.
Yikho sisibethu sebebona kungcono ukuthi bahambe ngale because
Because to be honest,
Yeah.
we are great guys.
yeah.
We are great guys.
We are really good guys, bro.
Yeah.
But
asila
Hey, we don't have a money.
Yeah.
You know?
Only money that
It's only all me. You don't give me. You gonna give me. Yeah.
So it does matter how great guy. Unless you can see maybe say UK.
Yeah.
Or we get a podcast.
Ofuna ulova.
Ofuna ulova like wena nga financially stable.
Yeah.
Ofuna ding dong galova.
Mina
Yeah.
ngeke sivele semele luchero oza ole mali like ofuni umember bo.
Yeah.
Mina kwami ngeke kuyikwenza i-podcast. Inamba yosebenza.
Bring the vibes.
Yeah.
Na ngitshona endlini sirecord i-podcast lama gang.
All right. Actually, I've got one more thing.
Yeah.
I'm envisioning a country. If these guys are listening, of course.
Yeah.
You know,
Obvious. Ya kulama agents phela checkayo
Yeah.
controller ukuthi
Angamunye
guys.
sila ina muhlu buyi.
Yeah.
Ubona nasimazi.
Yeah,
So I'm
Check abafana.
Alpha.
you're saying
I was saying, right? I'm looking forward to a country where people's faith in God, right, speaks about His goodness. Not like, you know, like abanye abantu ukuthi bebe ngamaKristu and it's because they're suffering.
ish.
Hey mfana namuhla ngathi mfana ngadu. Uzokulwa le audience.
No, but it's true.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
It's because they're suffering, bro.
It's true.
You know, if you ever check
But
like,
yazonza ke ngicabange ngakho kono.
yeah.
Wathi usihambe church because
Yeah.
feelings.
Start popping, bruh. Like, start popping. Do you think the normal Zimbabwean, right? Ehambe church for 40 plus years. They'll still be as religious.
I like Christianity ukuthembele dubeni nayo.
You know? No, it's not even that. It's our circumstances.
Yeah, but you consider that hey mfana lapha ngathi you have a point. You're onto something.
Fana sizalala sicabangisa.
Yapheka inkabe.
Yapheka inkabe.
Yeah, yapheka.
Anyway, yeah.
When
that's
I-
just-
Sonana ivila ngesandeni.
So wena uthi usufuna usona
Uh-huh.
I think into akhala ngayo ukuthi sokugcina ama Christu fake kakhulu.
Ama-Christians
Ama Gucci.
Just get some money my nigga.
You know?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
of
yeah.
it. Wona ke check
Yeah.
yena ufunga uyibona.
Ah, guys. As la ufuna ngemembali ezilakho.
You go bongu pissing in the wind, bro.
But anyway, mana sibone khona kaba abasithe akaba tune Starlink.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, but then
Yeah.
what the fuck? Sesibonga le
Yeah, good internet it means
usenzani
unlimited
uphothele
access
plastic
to phone,
ilahlela
bro.
ngalo kujula hole because kule 5 weeks ungenamanzi. What the fuck?
Oh.
Asingeke isibonga udlula nje. Asingeke isibonga udlula into
Ungahlala
enjalo.
isikhathi ungasela amanzi lizayizana.
Enzani?
But kuyabe i-live yabithelela ku-Instagram.
Ngicela
Yeah.
ungichazisele into leyana utele yenza. Abuzala amanzi.
Bro, that sounded a bit too personal, bro.
Kungahlala isikhathi ungenamanzi sizayenzani. Ngiyakutshela nje uyabona ama-plastic endlini. Uyabramela i-plastic ubophe ulahlele khatshana. Yike nabe sikwenza but i-Starlink yabithelela at the time man.
Ah, bafethu hayi.
Uyaku #free Tory.
Why not to experience?
Hashtag
Brian?
bring water.
That sounds too.
It's just I'm a problem solver.
It's just the jokes. Why?
Ah, go-3.
Hey, just jokes.
But
I'm
kona
joking.
idea grand, usinike idea grand.
Yeah.
Nxa uthi sokuyilahlile sibili. Plastic lapha nohambe brush.
Especially
Hayi,
makhelwane
plastic
wakho ngayithaba
ihleli
kakhulu you just
Ele
throw
proton.
it.
Yeah, ele proton kuyabe kusegcekeni phela, kuyabe ku transparent. Like
Ufuna-
ufuna ukuhamba abantu
Kufuna
bebona.
bengaboni.
Is that your biggest worry at that time? Let's be honest.
Ah, ndoda elimnyama ndoda
You just gotta
ama-chance
take a
ukuthi
shit,
omunye
bro.
umuntu
Wayibona ijoke lena eyisithi ungathi ubranch egangeni ubona asizayikhuluma nekusho. Ungathi ubranch egangeni uthi uqeda ubona umuntu ezothatha uthuvu yakhe. La kuyamtshaya uthi take off.
No, uyabulandela uTV bakho, bro.
Ngiyamlandela.
Yeah.
umlandeli ufuna
Yeah, yeah.
engakunika
But
ethi
ubusa-
ubusa
nawe
ngaphuthume
ethi nawe wenzani
Ubusa ngaphuthume.
Mana
and
mana.
what ethi nawe
Yeah.
Ubramela ukuthi uzamthatha uhambe labo.
ngiyabuthatha uThuva bami. Ah,
engathi nanku ubuthatha khathesi.
nambu ngice. Ndoda angeza kumekela umuntu yamba. Awungeke umuntu umekela hamba lo Thuva bami.
Abalabemfungenza nto.
Angangcono ngikeze izandla zami.
There's something else that I'd also like, like, yes, two. I don't know who can do what about them. There's that one who throws shit at people. I don't know his name.
By shit, with the slang isn't for
By
things.
shit, as in,
Ikaka.
like, I can't say it. I'm a lady.
Who's Ikaka?
I'm a lady. I can't say it. Poo.
Tupac bakabani.
Yeah, we are Tupac. Tulan. Exactly.
Ngolukabani abelujika.
Olwakhe. Antu
but that's a valid
uyabheka
question.
njengokabelo. Uyabheka plastic njengokabelo then ungaba nomnyama yakushaya. Then kulalo wanu okade ngene phakathi kwe-GT6 last week.
Oh yeah, sikhulume ngayo lana last week.
So mina that's the other thing I would like ukuthi be control like inhlanya of the
Yeah, inhlanya zambi inhlanya guys.
But jensi kunomuntu ophosa amadede. Yakwazi mina umlomo.
Ndoda ukuthi
Yakwazi mina ngihlala nginje.
ukuthi ubhotsha kangayi.
So ngalikhuluma umuntu ophosa amadede. It's very
Like yabe kaka kangayi ngide uthi ngazajikela abantu.
Thoya bank akarozwa.
Ya bank kule account
Remember ya branch so.
Yeah. Yabe chama deposit khona pha. Shit. Then ngabona uJane abese withdraw.
My sister lapha kulento ofuna oyifisa like uthi yenzakale yena.
Ngezombangazwe.
Ngezombangazwe.
Ngiyabhoka kodwa.
Ah no, it's fine.
Yazi it's just so sad nxa sibona ama industries ethu yakobulawayo ephongu ba.
Ngama
Church.
No, not church. Not church industry. But the industry.
Great minds.
I bet our industry lokho sibili lokho kuchileyo by izikhami road ini okungela lutho nje khokhana it's just a building nje but kule potential so look into that.
Yeah, because oputasa wayindawo so might as well just try udisibatshele.
But Mnangagwa did address it.
Which is funa.
You did address it Mnangagwa recently on a press conference. Kwabulawayo kontutu ziyathunqa.
Oh, into Tumelo is tune.
Yeah, that's what he
Otherwise.
But that's the same guy who said kujekesa nyika ne markets but when Lily still any electrification Zim is like number 143 or something.
Mama.
What is one?
23% electrified.
Ikhona any number liana that like because last time you talked about this, I was like, look, if you guys don't have electricity, I'm afraid inyama nxa isibola limfonele. So if someone can find me that number, right, like where we can really reach that.
But boss usitholele number ka president but nah kumbabuye kwa
What was he texter?
Jimmy, I'm chela bro.
What was he texter?
Hey, I'm chela bright him dala-ish.
Angithola
Ngithi show emzololo.
Mina
Sawubona kabi.
Ngithola parano
Yeah.
yikho kwenzakeleyo ngepolitics hlobo zami bekukuhle siyilandela indawo yepolitika but I think sicina lapha unless nxa kukhona okunye okuzenzakala okuza surprise but I think
Hello Japreza.
yeah
episode
kare kwenzakaleni futhi ngoJapreza
uJapreza ubebachaza abadala ngengoma yakhe
Ubehlabela.
Chiremerera iwehlabela you know
Mfana lo ngathi uyasikhuluma lizithi sichelele njani afa?
Chiremerera yeah
akasiweli
so uthi ehlabela lapha I think bebefuna ukuqhubeka nge-inauguration
Into is serious.
into serious you know yeah so bamhlalisa bamstopa yeah but I feel like
Ubonga yena uperformile.
ubani
Ubani? Yeah?
Thawubonga uperformile yini
Mbani ubonga nje
Asui.
Ulokhu zena hayi hayi kuperforma yena lo Thambani lo odliwe nguSimbala
Lo wadliwa.
uSandra Ndebele yeah
Uhlwa keep ibhashi lokucancela waqhuka.
Wacha iblitz mdala
ele rumba
Lithi usandra Ndebele ozombani?
uSimba
yeah
Shame, yes. Hey, okay.
yeah but Japreza rode that wave quite well. I mean there's t-shirts about it now you know
but deep down yabusiza ubuhlungu
of course
It's
bro
true.
Yeah.
But so we over there anyway, social media tactics anyway. You steer into the skid.
usamhlabelela lapha umdala nje umuntu omthandayo sibe ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke bethi hlala phansi
ama comment e social media singashaya isigora bro
Yeah.
Which winner? Like, I don't mind. We talk about it. But he couldn't one. So, yeah. As a good cover,
Now, there's one comment that's been on my mind. It's actually from the last podcast, last episode. It was about Kbrizzy. Tumelo is, I'm not sure if they say he's the only decent person. He's the most decent person.
Yeah, talked about
You
that.
know,
the most decent person.
try and you're going far.
Holy
You know,
boy.
I kind of took
That's
that
what
personally
Tumelo
because I'm
Hambe
like,
change into
Chinage,
Zulu
bro,
Kbrizzy
like,
No, like, mina into
we just had a bad run last week, bro.
into like complimenta abantu like nje yabona isibaningi so
Why
not?
ngaw complimenta uKabelo compliment uKabelo uthi awuKabelo le direction sokushaya
Ngophelele khona pha.
awuyazi ifak
ulokhuze nini umgcini episode podcast it's fine
Sweet.
yabo not ukuthi usuqalisa ukuthi
unlike others.
unlike Kozma because sonke lapha we're trying to achieve into eyiwana yabo like sihlanga different
Ngifuna ungena ezulwini nje.
No,
Like
isimunye
singing
one
different.
unit imbumba.
Comment uKabelo kuphela.
Comment uKabelo.
Actually ingasacomment uKabelo vele.
Ayibona ngijoke lana isithi mfana ngawufuba li savage ubothola like picture abo chair abayi3 comment uthi both of you look nice. Pa usuhambe. Zisale ziboroma.
mina decide
You
ukuthi
decide ukuthi who are the two that look
ehamba
nice.
njani so kule lokuzeni kule
Yabona
trend
udecent person wena.
kule lokuzeni kule trend kade ngibona lapha ku TikTok
Yeah.
you replied that one DM likela yabona
Ngiyibonile mina sekela.
likela yabona
Nice way
Ake
personally.
mina ngibone ku
ujeni
It was off to a rocky start though.
Post yami ngeke bengihloniphe futhi emphakathini.
but like
It's not like siyakuhlonipha yini.
Afuseke wena ngempaba ngakho esishayinayo ukuthi li-feature amaZimbabweans wonke. Hamba ne-tattoo, you look dangerous. Ngiyadlala.
dangerous omkhulumile ngulona
Yeah.
DNJA. Dangerous.
Ngiyadlala,
like
ngiyadlala.
umbuzo wami ukuthi why is it that amankazana find it hard to accept like lo mjida maye ngakufuni like ngani
Delulu is the Salulu.
like ngathi kuyalwa alikuthathi sharp why
The Lulu is the Salulu. You'd have, you know what? Okay, the honest truth is, like, I'm in my late 20s, right? Yo, I shouldn't have said that. I for sec when I'm in my oh, thank you actually. Well, you know when you're don't tempt me, bro.
hey
Uthe mid 20s.
I'm in like for ngithi mina. Like, you know when you're a girl, your good years, they are less than ama good years wabafana.
Oh, yeah,
When I'm
true,
clean,
true.
usungaba liphara uzuyefika 35, yabo. Akula muntu ozakutshela.
Age le Gabriel ngoba uthe 45 boss.
So, okay, 45. 45. Let me say
Abeminyaka
45.
abanye.
Kaminyaka yethu la.
When you're
Come on, age
like,
gaba
as girls, like when we find a man who appears to love us. Yo, mangikhuluma izingisi ngani ngumuntu
Oh
ozwa.
shy dog.
yeah
Anyway, when we find a man that loves us, appears to love us, we cling
appear
onto
to
that.
love you
Yes,
Yeah.
especially when you have daddy issues. If you didn't receive that same love at home, that same support, uyabona indoda must a lot. Abademandayo, not abathola because they are being liked. Like you're overcompensating because you didn't get that same love at home or you didn't see it being done to your mom. So when someone appears to love you at first, akushawe, angaflopi. Then later on, achinje. You think you're going through a rough patch, and we have romanticized like the bare minimum. So you think I was just going through a rough patch. So if I was there for him in his bad times, that means when he wins, I'll be what? But he can just turn back and say, you were with me during my bad times. Oh, he party lam. Oh,
So
oh,
shift
he
a man.
something like that. So we always believe if you're there for a nigga when he's at his lowest, he's going to. When he pagamas is gonna be with you. No. Those people that other women bash, that those women call gold diggers, yeah, slay queen, what, yibo, who end up being lowered by those niggas.
it's true
So I just want people to stop being delulu. If you see those signs, run.
Yeah, because into enginanzelela ngetrend le.
Huh?
Yabubona ukuthi umuntu akakufuni. Like yabubona ukuthi umuntu akakufuni ngama responses akhe awunika wona. Thina majidi into lena kulula kabi ukuthi kusho uyibondala lapha imeters.
Like mina
uzihambele.
There's a time you actually told me. You gave me a sign like, hey MJ, hey lapha bakufuni. Kodwa MJ wanjani?
Just let me check.
What?
Lapha ubungani uzathi umgcini wakusanye.
No, I wouldn't.
Hey mfana.
No, but you know, as a guy, you can see, like when Akabelo, if you knew like the relationship I'm in, you know the guy that I'm with, you talk to him. When I want something and you were my friend first, obviously you start telling me. That's what Mgcini did.
Yeah. I'm not
Like
going
Steve Harvey mfana.
Lamba ntshela iqinisa abangani bami noma
Mfana with
ngabalale.
mustache mfana. You playing mustache games here boy.
Noma ngabalale. Abantshela bangikhuza abangani bami. But I think uma still have ukuma something.
Oh no, I like your question uthi why why do I hold on and
Yeah.
sometimes why do you want me to fend for myself mausunji? How dare I fend for myself?
No, but
so like siyangifukana labantu 6th Avenue when I'm now used to, you know,
imoto yami.
i-aircon,
No, bamngikhulumela kuma situation ukuthi like yabona ukuthi vele lo kade simoto amfoni but lokhu
Hayi
uqhubeka.
so fucked up.
still mina ngiyafuna ukuyigada. So that's why I'm still holding on to that fantasy.
Yiku brawa made kufisela lapho.
So why isn't I told it about taxi driver once? Like and abanye bajolela indlala abanye bajolela
Transport.
Bese abantu bakholela into stupid.
Alibafuni no taxi driver.
Like ukujola.
Lithi banuka amakhwapha.
Alibafuni lina.
Obani?
O taxi driver liya vele singato taxi driver.
Ngazi to taxi driver singani ukukhuluma ngelokhu izinto.
O driver
bomchova.
Oh William.
Omagezi.
Oh Windy.
Hayi, oma William so ngedepartment.
Njengo William haya. O William bakhonjwa.
William so
Adila mangale. O wiralanga.
Their CVs are colorful.
But
Their CVs are so colorful you wouldn't even believe.
One at a time.
Zile cheat code.
sliding to operator. Yeah.
Akula. Amvumi.
Even old girls like you know there are those people whose dating pool is dry. Like it's dry. Breeze in your face is dry.
Ngathelwa ngotshwala ngowindow omchova ku 6th Avenue. So mina personally I don't think.
Oh William.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
I mean, let me tell you something, right? This is nice. This chat that we're having here is beautiful.
Yeah.
But if you think about like our child, especially like our teenage years, we all know someone not here, but we know someone in our lives who lost their virginity to a combi driver.
I'm not mass.
Hey, you are the anomaly. You are the exception, not the rule.
And what we need is a majority.
Yeah. And what we know is the majority. Yeah.
But mina kulomuntu ongenzeli example wathi igame le dating amajita like thina so singama hunters abafazi kwini
Hunted.
Pray.
Yeah, thina singama hunters abafazi ngama prey yabo. So cabanga situation yokuthi inkukhu isiziqumile yazifaka oven like isired yabo but wena uyifuna yabo
Ufuna ukuyiflipa njenge rotisserie.
like awufuni vele like vele awufuni kuyi ashkarine yabo. So khona khena kulendlela like like ekhanda lakho akufika sharp njengomuntu oyinkazana.
Vele I'm sure ngakhuluma ukuthi because of just even that's how social dynamic has made it, because abafazi are the child bearers,
Yeah.
which I mentioned maybe 3 podcasts ago. Ukuthi it's the number one prerogative of any living organism
Utlwa.
for extension.
Hey.
Extension of the species,
Yeah.
which means giving birth is the number one objective of any living organism. So because of that value, abafazi became pursued because they had control of who they choose to mate with. Because of that, abafazi are not used to being turned down.
Yeah.
It's nothing out of the box or to yabo. Ngoba amajide wahlale khombisa. So nxa usuflip switch lapha na wathi
Nambo Jane bayalo.
particularly look like him. He look like.
Guys, he fetched me from my piece. What the fuck?
So like moments. Like it trended and that is in the
I thought it trend Lena was mostly when they saying you give someone, let's say someone has been pestering you with DM yako.
Yeah.
And then you finally give that guy a shot, and then it just turns out to be like a douche or a dick.
But interpreting.
But I knew you respond to that one DM. Like one of the very first videos into a trend in like
Not on social media, imagine.
Really, you're acting mature.
I'll show you the one.
Mina ngayibonayo ucheri wayethumele umjida amapikitsha umjida wazangizicelanga.
Ayikuphela. So mamela vele.
Mina ngabona lonathi wena demon engena amazinyo. Khona phe bethi I love your gap. Sorry, is there anyone who has a gap here?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Lalela. Here's my point. My point wasn't the objective of that whole trend ukuthi uqala umuntu umshayinela ugcina usumnika chance. Yabona abafazi vele anyway what's the word I'm looking for? In every relationship when they always feel like they're doing you a favor by dating with you.
That's actually the opposite. You know what?
What you got the point there, man?
Akibahle.
Abafazi always feel like they're doing you a favor by dating you, which they might be. That's another debate. But they always feel like they're doing you a favor by dating you. This is why when they feel like I gave this fucker a chance and manje say papa.
How?
Tina nathi siyanika abatsheri chance besiphaphele. Siyahamba sixoxela amajida sinathi njenguselala.
Kabelo, you're wrong.
Yes.
You're wrong. Let me tell you what it's like. Naturally, you guys approach women, right? And it's a city, yes. You fetched me from my piece, right? And also, the problem with you niggas is when you realize what this chick, she digs me, like she really loves me. That's what the minute you say heart. Amasimba qala lapho. If a girl acts mad or if she's cold and dingy the way the way we know hunting, that's when you people start acting right. Because you guys are only nice when you're hunting, when you're chasing.
It's true.
Once you're comfortable,
you guys. You go with the procurement budget, the operations budget. So
do you blame?
Yeah.
It's not like women are doing you a favor. Fetchile from her piece. And next thing, we say my mental health problems. Akasadli ugodola kuchisa usuthe lambile.
Mina enza ukuthi vele I approve of a setup where women are the pursued because you know I think you can go back to several episodes where I say abafazi are more valuable than us in society. So it's fine that we have to pursue them.
So you want to be pursued? You're in your soft girl era.
No, shut up, mana. Ngithe vele amajida kumele sipursue abafazi. Of course it's fucked up ukuthi when we pursue sile better package than when we actually get.
Then let other niggas pursue you, Kabel. Because you can't say you want other girls to pursue you and then you wait till the way niggas speak after the relationship is done. You guys, you act like you want to be pursued. But in reality.
But bakhona abanye ochera basikhombisa akusisikret be.
Libenza nathi laba screenshot alifaka ama viewers.
Hey,
mina ngile experience yokuhlewa yi-female bestie ex yami and ngiyazi o-female bestie benu bonke la bayathola ama-viewers wama-screenshot amankazana elikhombisa.
Wena la nxa uthumela imessage thumela la ibe attractive ukuthi nxa inga-screenshot ayisokuhle.
Ibe soft girl
ibe le ubone la when i-chat efuna uku-screenshot uyayibona ukuthi le ngani is going places le. Uhle la uyi-type imessage ukwazi ukuthi
international chat mayibhala la.
Ufanana le nude. Nxa uthatha inude thatha lela na uthi lingazi lilokuzi lilike uthi but ndiyasibonisa ukuthi lezi
ungabe ngusayeni lawo lemfusho
Aish.
Thathi into ezi-right.
Kulombuzo lapho
Anyway,
engutholeleyo la. So why is the relationship threatened when the girl is angry or unhappy? But when it's the guy, it doesn't have much impact. Like inkazana ingazonda why relationship is threatened. But kungazonda ulova.
Ndoda ukuchithelwa ngenkazana ngoba ayikho happy.
Cha wena ususeya ngabe ngithithiro.
Hey, ufike nini lapho?
Ngeke
Stop
happy
the bus.
uzenzani ke? Ngeke happy uzenzani?
Stop the
Joke,
bus.
ngeke happy uzenzani? Come on, man. Like this is the most logical step. Ngeke happy ngawubona ngani uzabile esihlalile ezithuleni. Uzenzani?
Oban, inkazana.
Lava
Inkazana
escalated.
can stay and
Money.
happy for a year.
Money.
No ways.
Before you start talking, I don't think ngabale kahle question yakhe. Iphinde dog because lapha ngani just take
Comprehension.
risks.
Asofre mpanga, like comprehension le sharp.
Kuthiwa, why is the relationship threatened when the girl is angry or not happy? But when it's the guy, it doesn't make that much of an impact. That's the question.
Exactly, response yami is actually on point.
Hey,
I think you did mention something. Ukuthi thina siyascount you isikwenzela favored when we're dating you.
Yeah.
So yeah. Ngaze wena uzonde.
Awulandaba. Also ozonda
Isikwenzela
ngoba thina
favored.
thina singama upfucker. We're
Wena
fucking
why-
up.
Yeah.
Otheri you're fucking down.
Down, yeah.
Mina in
But,
my mind
yeah.
ngabe sithi uzahamba ngapi ma ungachiyana lapho. Where you going?
Mama.
Exactly.
Mama.
Mama.
Thina singama upfucker.
Yeah, Kbrizzy actually said something that kind of leads into this earlier on. Like, in most dynamics, women are the ones that are chased. So from the get-go, the dynamics of the relationship are in her favor. She dictates udu kahle kahle uhamba njani. You know? Like, the reason why a lot of niggas are like, no, really, my chick is okay. The fact that I've got a female bestie is because from the get-go, she was like, no, it's fine. You can keep your friends.
She chose.
She chose. You know? When I got to go chase ungena ngaliphi when you're now saying that, no, and look, we don't do that here. You check it out from the get-go. However, if she pursued me, you know, it kind of like messes up that whole dynamic. You check. If she pursued me from the get-go, you know, she showed more interest. Lami ngazonda is threatened.
Lizinkaba ezinjani eziphesuwayo.
Shama Chisco, boy. I'll show it right now. I'll show it right
next week.
Yeah.
Mina Vele, I'm just gonna say this, dog. We must accept that the women have more value than us. That's what it
just
is.
the truth, bro.
Maybe because of capitalism, whatever,
Yeah.
we switch things up. Tina, we managed to have more earning power than women, and we've made it look like earning power is what gives people value.
Yeah.
But in the grand scheme of things, women are just way more. You can artificially inseminate sperm into a woman. So at this point, amadoda sesiba phased out because
Yeah.
if they can just freeze sperm, without a womb, what can we do? Have we been able to successfully grow babies outside of women?
It's not.
Yes.
First of all, it's not everyone wants to have a child. You're just following. But then I don't think. I still think men are more valuable than women.
Aye.
I know I'm going to
was on your knees.
anger. No, I know I'm going to anger. I'm a fast.
Are we try?
Mina, I love. I'm not even going to lie. I'm a daughter. Guys, you are not like that. Now, don't misquote me. But I mean, you guys are very important in our lives.
Hey.
I'm speaking for. I think I'm speaking for a lot of women. Eh? But then the thing is, okay, if you check how women are changing them, look at how many surgeons are making money. Do you honestly think a woman would go and get a BBL to look nice for another woman? Okay, except maybe LGBTSTV. But do you think
GPL.
a lady would just go under the knife, risk her life to look nice? Yes, you can look nice for yourself, you know? Like, obviously, weave, makeup, what we do for ourselves to look
Ahula.
nice. When you
Moving on.
get complimented by a girl. But then the value men have, if you check most of the Twitter wars that are there, it's always on some, hey, how to cheat a man. Yeah, a man won't marry you if you're what. Yeah, a man won't marry you if you have money. If you don't have money, also, a man doesn't want you. You must have a plan. I still feel like i-value yamadoda is still up there. Because even umgcina nga-decide ukuthi yena ufuna ukushada at 42. I-value yakhe, appreciate. Yabilokhu ikhuli, if that's a word. Mara yomfazi, like mina so, bayangitshela ukuthi, hey, why ungakamithi? Why ungakashadi kuphi ubani? I really think men have more value.
MJ.
Men are the prize.
Mina ngithe. Once again.
Yeah.
Manini. Ngikhulumile la.
The only
wazula ama example kaqanje ngu-MJ uqambe into ze ama Twitter wars ngithe i-capitalism has shifted the reality to a point where earning power is mostly how we value people. And because of how our gender roles were divided from the start, all mama were child bearers and raising children in the amachita because, you know, I can explain the science in another episode with how men are bigger and faster than women, so they had to go out and hunt. Because of that, we became what's the word? We discovered the world. You know, we had more opportunity to go out there more than no mama. However, because of the current setup of capitalism, so totally value of our fathers.
okay.
But it's not true. No, he hasn't any much chance.
But
Martin,
Kbrizzy, ngezikhathi zona ezozikhulumayo zona lezi. Imembe yi-1 ihambe iyahanta kakhulu igcine siba labafazi abaningi. Meaning that guy was the prize. Still.
Wokhona wena.
Unokhona.
Wokhona wena.
You see?
Listen. Listen. I said this before. I don't want to repeat myself. What are the two objectives of any living organism? Is to pass down information and for the survival of species. And both these tasks were given abafasi. That is why women are smarter than This is why women are smarter than us, and this is why women are the child bearers, because they have both tasks to pass down information.
Please, I think you're a feminist.
Aye!
Let's have a episode. Let's have an episode.
No, I think
when I'm not
he's just
when I'm not
I think he's well informed.
However,
I think he's intelligent
Lalela,
and well informed.
however, life has changed.
Yeah.
Because of capitalism, it now looks like men are more valuable than women.
Yeah.
Because from the start, Jay, we have two tasks on this planet. We have to create kids and we have to pass down information. Do you know information is passed down even at a genetic level? Umntwana is afraid of two things. It's heights and loud noises. Now, this is someone who just got born, has no information what a loud noise means. But umntwana eqeda ukuzalwa, ungathi ha uyethuka. So where do they get the information ukuthi heights and loud noises are dangerous? That kind of information is passed down genetically. And it's women who pass that information down. I see it in my chance. Understand?
So you come here to have
Oh,
a little...
you
You go put it on mama.
funny stance.
You go mama baby baba zalayo futhi. Now you're going to tell, and I use my words carefully. If they rewind back, I said, in the grand scheme of things, in the original design, kamodimo, abafazi babele value kulathi. But it's just more clever. Sesa believe to what the podcast could play That's what's happening, dog.
Okay, wear your shades, bro. It's fine.
Yeah, I'm done, boy.
It's fine.
Like in that thing, I mean, no Kbrizzy, who conjure the cuisine, the feminist. Give a topic. I want to go to him city. Amazangala, what I see. But anyways, who avoid that? I'm a situation like in closing, he trend in a day. Who avoid a situation in a row? Ukuthi inkazana yekufuni umjida awufuni silamankazana lapha silamachita la like iwapha ama science like amachera wayenzayo ukuthi ubonti umember lo like awumfuni thina yini into esingayibona kubo chera like iwapha ama science engabona enkazaneni ukuthi ayimfuni.
All right. Or it's for women.
Yeah, labo sizabatshela ukuthi iziphi izinto like ama science nxa zingawafuni unless wena mawazi iwaphi.
I've never.
Like,
no, but that's really simple, bro. Like, she's just not feeling your vibe.
Nice.
She's just I mean, like, for lack of, Kbrizzy was really technical with his definitions, and I'm not, bro. Like, you know, what is really, really cold. Yeah.
You know the reason
Here
why
I'm trying to kick a dead horse.
Do you know the reason why stuff is cold?
Yeah, that don't really give a shit about the reason.
Let me tell you.
Bro, like, and yeah.
Hi, Vuyi.
When I'm potato masher.
Aye. You know what? This is how, like, niggas always have options. I'm not saying women don't. Right? Listen, let me cook. Let me
Delulu.
cook. Let me cook. Let me cook.
Stop sakho ukuthi upheka amasiko.
Nah, man, you know what?
One at a time. One at a time.
Right. As I was saying.
Next time say record the podcast in 3 last.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
So as I was saying, right. Look, now personally, me, I'm not a feminist like Kbrizzy. So look, I'm about to say something that's really bad. But at any given point, niggas have options, bro. Your stock price is always up. Yeah, bon. So the reason why when if you're giving me like bad vibes, assuming I'm single, of course, I can't relate to what I'm about to say, right? But if you as a woman are giving me bad vibes, the reason why I won't pursue or even ask why I'm feeling low is because there's like maybe 3 or 4 other people that could potentially fill your place.
Alela bro.
Yeah.
Like umbuzo wami uvelele kuthini.
Yeah.
Ayisonke umuntu olaleli podcast leyo experience life ngendlela na experience ngayo. Kulabanye abantu abangakwaziyo, like kulabanye abantu abangalama options wena lawo wena okhuluma ngawo. Like yiko like
fully changed, bro.
You made a podcast yet that is on Zegi.
What are you doing here?
Alela. So like umbuzo wami ukuthi like unika wena uyawazi ama vibes angikhona nawo yabo. But kulomunye umuntu ongawaziyo. Yiwade ngwabu.
As mentioned ukuthi
Okay. All right. This is what people in love do.
Inkazana nxa isenza so ayikufuni. Umfana ama isenza so akakufuni ezinkazana. Ukwenza ukuthi singabi a part of our mind
Okay. All right.
like TikTok.
All right. It's fine. It's okay. I hear that. So my answer is, all right. I'll answer like uthi umuntu nxa ekufuna uyenzani, and then if that person is not doing that, then you know ukuthi akufuni. Right.
Sure.
People that are interested. People, first of all, people make time for what they value.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like never. Ungavumi.
so if they don't make time for you.
We don't value you.
Excuse inhle
No matter how beautiful that excuse is, bruh. Even if Ralph ete usemsebenzini, bro.
Madoda lithi singafeli manje.
Every week nje kufailwe, bro.
Ndoda.
Ndoti rampant.
Every day uyalilwa ngini.
Uyaphuma ngale mfeni uhambe embona.
You know what I mean? So like, you know what? You know like at the beginning of a talking stage, and you know that double texting. You know, she responds to your text before you even finish, before you even press send. When that finishes, so kuphelile konke. Yeah.
Your opinion here.
Asisupra. Jane, when I would now.
Like when I njengenkazana. Like
What's the question?
bembuzela ukuthi ama signs umfana omela abone oyinkazana.
Mayinkazana ingasamfuni.
Yeah. O vele
Ingakufuni.
Ingakufuni. Ingaku.
Okay, obviously, maybe LOL, I'll see.
In terms of texting.
In terms of texting, well, it's tricky because as women, we can pretend. Like, because sometimes you're nice to a person because it's easier to be nice to him because maybe, you know, sometimes as a woman, you come across violent men who get their way because they think, okay, ngile mali. So wonke umuntu uzongivuma ngimuhle ngile ndevu bazongivuma
Nge-podcast bazamvuma
athi bazongivuma and then ahlangane lo muntu ongalandaba lezi zinto zonezo lama different values yabo and then when as a girl you're endangered, so you have to play it nice, act like uyamfuna but ungamfuni,
Or let him off easy.
yeah, you let him off
That's
easy.
true.
That social intelligence is very important. Like sometimes he can think uyamfuna wena ungamfuni just because uphendula like you say, like this gentleman here was saying, you can assume you have options, but sometimes, you know, a girl can sleep with you because it's the easier way out, not because she wanted to. And when we am listed as an option, she wasn't really an option. She knew if she doesn't, you're going to talk smack about her. No, I'm just giving an example. It's not always the case, but it happens.
It's a good answer.
Someone can choose to flirt with you and you think they're an option when they're not really an option. They're just being intelligent about it because generally some people think men are slower than women. That's why we're always advised to date like people who are older than us, people who've been exposed. Because
Emotional maturity.
you know, Mina, I can tell you, hey, Mushe, what, or I can flirt with you. You flirt with me, I reply, it's not because ngilambile, thirsty, ngile sauto, salt ambassador. No.
What the fuck?
I'm being nice about it because I don't want you to go around saying, it's easier to believe a guy. Yabo? But when I can't I've got options. I've got options. So sometimes it's not an option. They are just
I will say,
being.
I think,
Yes.
I think.
Didn't you see that post about that girl was sharing his dinner? Yeah, look, funny number.
I saw that shit, dog.
You saw it, right?
Yeah.
I would have gotten into that situation, but I realized, number, especially when para, you are in shit. So, number, block, akulimazi muntu. Uyamnika number, ublock, uhambe. But that girl, I think upape or papa. Next thing you face yakising quick man from family guy. You know? As a girl, you have to be intelligent about it. You have to defend yourself. But it can't allow you to options. But someone is being intelligent about it.
I think what you're saying basically is you cannot address something like this outside of the context of how is society, how safe women and men are in society.
Yeah.
So Tina, we have these luxuries that women don't have to actually maybe make choices and not be afraid of my repercussions. But
it goes both
at some
ways
point
also. Because as
Yeah.
a guy also, once you find a
Yeah, but it's not as much as abafaz.
but it's easier to get away
For
with
example,
it if you just tell the girl and go.
For example, the common one for abafazi is at a work environment where a superior wants to sleep with you. Yabo? And abafazi sometimes they can tell ukuthi la umuntu lo ngayekela dog. Spansi yachabalala.
Shit.
And it's not even a situation yokuthi once uzitshela ukuthi hazofala ngeqhaso usebenze ikhona sinyabaqeda.
Kathi hayi bazama ukuprotect
That's true.
umsebenzi yabo.
Ufuna ukuprotect imsebenzi.
Because when you're just a honey rabbit with a high position.
Damn.
Mina, I want to say
superficial and materialistic lokuzeli nani. Abafazi sometimes they stay. Not they stay. Yabengakufuni mawungayekela kumpho akufunayo right? So when you say ukuthi asikhwaphi data msipheli lani isiku 400 gigs, you're just joking around that. It's okay. So uzayithenga nini?
Yazi mina
And
ngiyathini?
then the one where
Ngiyathi mina yazi ngile unlimited Wi-Fi nje.
Nilambile.
Come to the-
Come and kiss me before I go
Kills me.
to the heavens.
Kokuthi awusamphanga mina
Yeah.
dengufuna.
Lina ukuthi
On to
lisuke
the next one.
lina lisuke lawa deep kakhulu. Of course like ama points elwa razor ya valid. But mina bengabuzelanga vele khonoko. Mina ngibuze nje ukuthi nxa ngilo cherry engimfunayo.
Ubona njani ukuthi
Ngibona njani
akafuni?
ukuthi akamfuni. Jane mawlo mjido umfunayo. Like ubona njani ukuthi akakufuni. Simple.
Mina
Khuluma fast ungakhulumi.
umfana mayengakufuni uyabona like yes
Say no.
it's so obvious abafana is simple
But I think
akayenza isikhathi for you uhlala ebusy akekho umjido busy njengomfana ongakufuniyo
madoda singasalimi. Kanti nithini?
hayi mana
Oqala.
ngitshele mina can I give you a personal example? I won't mention names. Kulomfana engake ngaba laye
Hayi man.
waye less busy than omunye umfana engake ngathanda and umfana wangikhona engathandana naye waye busy kwedlula wonke umuntu. He had the tightest schedule ever, but the time he made for me.
Hi. Okay.
Yes, when yakwanisa ukujola lo president and president the busiest person in the country. I'm busy but still make time
Mlungisani
to reply you or to call you.
Then remember
ujole lo muntu
othunga
ongenza
izicathulo.
into ekhanyayo nje.
Ndoda izicathulo ziphelile emakhandeni ndoda.
Busy into engekhoyo.
Hayi, mina naba mbona ngani ngivumelana lani to a certain extent ngani abantu sesifele ambition la. But then, sometimes we're busy. That's all it is.
But not that busy, bro.
Lina liprices ungantsho lina.
No, you make time. You make time.
For what?
I mean, I know myself.
For what?
I'll make time.
You make time,
Once
bro.
Puma when you meeting chick so and maybe 5 hours.
You make
And the
time.
first thing I would do is pick up the phone.
Then maybe
So into
maybe istabani mina.
So into
Maybe
sesiphumela.
nabafazi abafuni.
So into sesiphumela lapha like one esivumelanayo sonke ukuthi umuntu angayenzi ebengakufuni. Umuntu awunika isikhathi.
You're right. S2. Breezy S2.
Be breezy.
Mina vela mvumelana lokuqala.
Khuluma yakho
Khuluma
esizama
yakho,
uvumelana laye.
Ngiyakufuni. Mina I feel like I would have got a little boy. Remember busy, but I think Jay, I'll just reiterate what he said. Vibe, yeah, as it talk. But I would only want to chama jokes as what are 2 personal. Omni didn't this dindi.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm jokes are very you're far.
Sometimes you're keeping it chops.
Yeah, sense of humor.
Or maybe I stand with you about sense of humor, maybe.
Yeah.
Now,
you
missed the joke a little bit.
Phela ukumisa joke ukuthi umuntu akala sense of humor. Khona ukukhulunywa
Yebo ngamazo quick
bedala.
Ujane uthe uchomlwana uCherona sengiquick maya. What if uthanda lo muntu vele ongasake bukela ufamily guy?
Balutshwana abantu abahlekileyo. Manje ngcobe bezibuza ukuthi
akalazi igigidi. Kusile umjulu udali bathi.
Yeah, ngiyabona nje ngathi ufuna ukukhuluma something.
Nami nombuzo for uJane and
yeah, Jane, there's a question for you.
I have a question on that make time part. Why? I have a general question. Why do women go for guys that seem to not make time? Why do they prefer those type of guys where like they don't make time for them and then or Mr. Nice Guy?
I think the excitement of being with someone that you can't get. Like, for example, right now, you fantasize about, let me choose a female celebrity that you probably can't get. Let's say
Pushy.
Not say Pushy. Let's say you can't access Pearl Tusi. Say you have a crush on her. You don't have access to her. But that excitement,
Yeah.
But then
and also, it also happens with guys. When you guys are with a female who loves you no matter what, she loves you to death, that's when you guys start fucking up.
That is true.
That's when you guys... But then, we are umthanda more, you start treating her like a queen, you do more for her. And then people start saying, but no, because Mundwana is not worshipping the ground that you walk on. I think it's natural. You just...
okay.
I think that's even outside of sex. It's just how humans are just wired. There's what people think they want. There's what people say they want. And then there's what people respond to. So you must always overlook what people think they want, what they say they want. Fuck that shit. Look at what people respond to. People always respond to a challenge or a question mark. And that's all it is, doc. This is why most people are obsessed with people abangabafuni. Umtokufunayo uyabusufila umsolvile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's just human wiring, bro.
Yeah.
Naturally.
Yeah.
Udla imali ngale uthola umuntu echayi 200 US power.
Yeah.
Ethi ibhebhe kade kwazi engathi wendlini.
I think indaba zomjolo vele azipheli. I think this is the 1 hour sikhuluma ngento.
Bela sitshane lakho lokya.
This is the 1 hour sikhuluma ngento. Mbone kuthiwa eHarare sokulama serial killer lapha. Prison Comba le lapha. I feel like when isikhiwa sakho siphuma ngcono kule sami.
Z-therapy press statement. Yisa kusifuna.
Gundu.
Arrest of Tumelo Ndlovu. Lenzani bantu bakondlovu? Lenzani bantu bakondlovu?
Kulomuntu okondlovu la. Nakho lokho.
Ogatsheni imtshaza.
Remember, then this one is not even Ndebele, bro. His real name is like Simbarashe Dube or something.
Tumelo Ndlovu.
Simbarashi Maria Pera.
Fraud.
100 million.
Fraud.
Tumelo Ndlovu.
Rap.
Look at rap. What's that? Guys,
But in the live, bro. Like,
and he's read the statement.
Umtimani la. Ndlovini. Sadly, age 20, in connection with 5 murder cases in Harare CBD, the Zimbabwe Republic Police. What Republic?
What else? Is it Aralwana Bella?
Right.
The Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms the arrest of Tumelo Ndlovu 20, alias Sauro Sean.
I told you guys.
Adlalela machete. Na lo mchoma mengimazi uthiwa ngqondisi mabhena simbiza Sauro.
Oh.
Saura is also soldier love. But anyway,
in connection with 5 cases of murder which occurred in Harare Central Business District between 28th August and 4 September. Machenzo abulala abantu abayi-5 between mhlaka 28 and mhlaka 4. Kule quarter oyigijimisa.
Yeah.
obusilekile for 3 months.
Yeah.
What a checky business is in.
But then soon you get back to it.
Ubulele 2 tina sona 7.
Get back to work.
Or maybe Tumelo uhlanyile because I don't understand how you can do 5 people in a week, bro.
Yeah.
Like ksasa or maybe like 2 in one day.
Yo, and with the people related, that was just
The
I think it was
suspect who is
Wama
believed to
street
be
kid, I think.
living in the streets would target street kids
Yeah.
who will be fast asleep and crush them and open the victim's stomach to remove the genitals and other body parts using empty broken bottles. Hey, this is crazy.
what would he?
And what did you do
with
afterwards?
the genitals? It's not like they're waking anyway.
The suspect would organize a gangbang.
I think
I
think this is the last time Gubara is
what
You're a
the fuck?
decent guy. But what he really did, I think, is worse. Go on.
The suspect would host a podcast. How? That's serious. The suspect would then boil or fry the human parts. Okay, this is actually crazy.
I told you guys.
This is actually crazy. On
Yeah.
any open fireplace and consume them while in the Harare Central Business District. Abantu beHarare lenzani? Level chama dula kusumntu esidla umthaza apha mngwe. What the fuck?
Maybe boss.
No, but I think it kind of shows you like the hustler mentality in Harare.
Ni hustle umntu esidla umthaza eceleni kwethu.
Remember, this makes take some iPhone, boss. I'm a swap into
Nah, my chance. On 4 September 2023, police detectives tracked the suspect along Rotten Road, Harare, after he allegedly tried to attack a street kid who did not bother to make a police report. On being arrested, the suspect was positively linked to 5 murder cases which occurred 28th August 2023 at the corner of George Lundiga Avenue and Simon Muzenda Street. At the corner of Harare.
It's all right.
I think kulenye parties ke sayibala abathe
Wait, Mwalapa. And then he
he's
skipped
linked
town,
to
yeah.
even like 3 other
Even
murders
here,
like
yeah.
Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Shit. So we are fry lapho buyela ngani.
But man, also street like
Let him cook.
like akahlala estradeni la.
Hayi la ngobasrada.
Ngoba strata
Hey,
la.
President Strata.
Like umbuzo wami uthi wasuka njani?
Oh, udo bastra. Actually, this is a valid question. No, but you know 25 past to 20 lift.
Kumba ngena njengalona
Strata usuka
ngiyawuthi.
njani Bulawayo si Harare.
Kumbe Ncwe waphapha wafika phela.
Wanombiyela nto.
Into lezi ngani zilo busatana.
No, but I think at the end of the press statement, Ingle was and at that time they were saying they're still trying to link him to Ama ritual killings. Abaga Toli connection, unless if they have now.
Tama ritual killings.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah. It seems like for now, like they're still trying to find the motive. No, Luthanya, bro. Like the guy was just off his rocker.
But manje into enjalo siyipreventa njani ukuthi yenzakale bro?
Antu becelile mbana ndicelile ukuthi igovernment nje nguJane ukuthi thathana abantu laba libafakeni lapho kumele
Yeah, so ku make sense into Jane
Yeah.
ayikhuluma more guys.
Jane was actually making a good
Yeah.
point. But Lina, you're not listening.
I don't want to dishearten people, but there are certain things really we can never prevent. Any illusion of control is exactly that control. How do I stay away from one? It's just if you put ungafaka abantu abayi 20 phakathi kwe room bazabhebhana bazajoyina. So faka abantu abayi 7 billion on the planet, every outcome is possible. So mina nzathi
Greek today, eh?
mina nzathi khonzani
Greek
uGod
today,
in case you die. Come to God. Leke into zomthiti. Come to God in case uwela nje uthiwa ufe uyiswi. Karo yazi video ngitsho.
Yeah.
Unubona lokho into enjalo mina ithi come to God ke lento zomthiti.
Yeah, but ufithile uthi ufuna ukuthini dog?
Speaking about Ohlanya, have you guys ever noticed ukuthi like Ohlanya nawe town Have you ever seen them behlangana boyi-2?
Like
they always avoid each other, babe. That's serious. Yeah,
Indoda zile street code yazo vele.
Game recognized game.
Once born, no.
Le motor abachazi motor boss.
Kunje so,
Umuntu normally unchaya imoto.
No,
Uhlanya
son.
cross.
No, I've seen it live, man. Uthi A1 ichasa le yini ze avoid dana thing.
Zile code nje.
Inhlanga ziyafikana.
Man, asifuni nje. Apparently kuthiwa vela ngiyazi ukuthi ale trick le
Ngicabanga ngabantwana wamagalatia, yabona wamagalatia.
Galatia
Lele magalati blind kayanga vele.
Chayisana nephoso 2 vethi hayi mina cheke ngithithisa abantu bathi wena.
wena
Fucked up.
ngo-2
What's happening go-2 but fucked up.
owese udlula mina
Yeah, kumagalati amele silethe ku podcast le.
Yeah, episode enjani. Ngumagalatia.
parano siyabonga guys ukuthi uyile ikhona omunye ufuna ukukhuluma anything
No.
I feel like namhla kube wishi ngapha yebo but I just hoping ukuthi abantu abasilaleleyo bazosilalela njengoba behlala besilalela last week besithi basikhansile
But look at us now.
yeah but
Yo, last week we blew up. Yo,
Bro.
shout out to the people that
didn't even have to kiss ass on a WhatsApp group.
You know what I mean?
shout out to abantu abasibukelayo abasubscribe like this video comment share. I remember ngathi ngirecord episode oje ngathi if you are tuning in isikhiwa sacha phansi you know that just use Ndebele.
What's njalo?
Just use Ndebele. So yimi no mpinda futhi episode yesinga is 88 if you're tuning in for the
So
first
like,
time.
We're getting
like 12
close.
to go to 100.
Yeah, we're getting
What are we
closer.
doing 100?
Ochi gang bang. Tani. Guta. Just chay
Oh,
ochi.
yes.
Just chay
Suspiciously
ochi.
odious.
Yeah. Kulento engikhohluka i-address asakhuluma ngento ze-crime leziya. Guys, abantu abagidayo mina ngigide kumane club. Abantu abagidayo please linanzelela ama-drinkini. Like sengithole I think abantu abangu-3 besithi baspikewe.
Lapha kubulawayo.
Kobulawayo kona. Yabo like angeza ke ngikhuluma ama
Very,
Bizo
that's why
because
if you're
mele-
not fame, you're not
Yeah.
supposed to be touching on things with
yeah.
tablets, with
So
your lameness.
ama-drinki linanzelele guys. Ama-drinki lonathayo la make sure ukuthi uhamba layo. Yeah.
There was a guy.
Hayi Hennes mina nginathi izibungu zami ziba buhlungu afterwards but
Got to know. Yeah, but I didn't like.
can't you know?
Nganathi Jemaseni. Nganathi yazi Jemaseni.
No, but on a serious note. Outside of the bullshit, on a serious note.
Yazi Jemaseni yazi yenzi ake yami bebuhlungu.
On a serious
Ngathi
note.
no bakumethile so linanzelele ama-drinkini guys abantu abaklapayo ma-weekend nanzele even hey
Ngilana kuyekhozi. But
Hayi cook.
Aye, but yeah.
Pheka njengohlanyelelwane la oliharare lwa.
Tina, I think we're 3 abandoned.
Yeah,
I was chilling
I
the
think
last
3,
3
bro.
weeks. I have a friend, very close friend, or was watching on the phone. So I've been chilling saying, "Luana ngathi ngizosema wathi dog." So
linanzelele guys emaklabhini.
I was channeling the chwala.
Bakhulu maybe Game of Thrones but the night is dark and full of terrors.
No, I'm sure ukuthi azonto enzakala eZimbabwe kuphela.
Yeah, of course.
Into lezi zenzakala yonke indawo. Wena kuphela nxa ukwazi ukuthi uhamba ku public place
Yeah.
and ulezi into ezinjengamanzi ozinathayo. Zama ukuthi uzi Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
ukhona
But
ufuna ukukhuluma
I'm
something?
not. I mean, I'm like lani linabantu abaspike. What could you possibly want from us? Mina uvuyile $3 yami.
Usuwatshela
Lama
kale
fake Air Bro. Like, what could you possibly want from?
Ngikhuluma hayi sifamba amazi
actually
bese
not.
bambona people. Bakwazi ukuthi uyakhuluma into zama-audio.
That wasn't me, bro.
Anyways, you're saying
Yeah, I'm saying like she had a question. She was like, what could these people possibly like? Yeah, what could their objective be?
no bra abantu abenza into lezi vele ngathi
they don't
kulobu-
think, yeah.
yeah and ngathi
just
kulobu
do.
ganyavu phakathi umuntu
Fanana
angeza
lana lo
awufakele.
fry imcha. Unchete ngahlala phansi we give a conversation to Friday.
Hey, yabo.
Like
Fine.
they're just
Demon.
crazy people doing what crazy people
Umuntu
do.
longane besidla amacimbi.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Bye bye.
Inside out, we do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get some for $1. We might just head home in a Honda.
Yo lana ethi pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just meant